Viking Pump has evolved their flagship products. These are stainless steel pumps like you've never seen before. Modularity and customization are at the core of these products. The new U+ bracket utilizes any of Viking Pump's cartridge or component mechanical seals, packing, and Viking Pump's own O-Pro seals. The ProPort casing unlocks true installation potential, customizable port sizes and types, standard casing drain, standard internal circulation holes, and can utilize flat gaskets or O-rings for sealing between pump sections, including the bracket, casing, head, and ports. These pumps are dimensionally interchangeable with legacy stainless steel internal gear products, so upgrading your current Viking pump has never been easier. The stainless steel construction makes these pumps ideal for challenging applications like industrial chemicals, biofuels, detergents, and more. Viking Pump is the global leader in positive displacement pumping solutions, and the new stainless steel pumps with U+ bracket and ProPort casing are just the latest example. Upgrade your pump, upgrade your process, upgrade your business. Visit VikingPump.com to learn more.